Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to set up and connect your Pix-Link Wi-Fi extender. This step-by-step guide will help you extend your Wi-Fi coverage easily. Let's get started. Before we begin, let's unpack the Pix-Link Wi-Fi extender and ensure we have all the necessary components ready. This step ensures a smooth setup process, allowing us to proceed with confidence in extending your Wi-Fi coverage effectively. Next, find a suitable power outlet near your router and plug in your Pix-Link extender. Ensuring it's within range of your router is crucial for optimal Wi-Fi extension performance. Once connected to power, allow a moment for the Pix-Link extender's power LED to stabilize. This indicates that the extender is powered on and ready for the next steps in setup. Now, let's connect your smartphone or computer to the extender. Access your device's Wi-Fi settings and locate the network labeled Pix-Link XXXX. Connect to this network to proceed with configuring your Pix-Link extender and extending your Wi-Fi coverage effectively. Once you've connected, launch a web browser and enter the default IP address 192.168.10.1. This action directs you to the login page of your Pix-Link extender, where you can proceed with configuring its settings for enhanced Wi-Fi coverage. On the login page, use the default credentials username and password. This grants access to your Pix-Link extender's configuration settings, simplifying the setup process for improved Wi-Fi coverage. Once logged in, navigate to the Setup wizard. Follow the prompts to configure your Pix-Link extender, choose your home Wi-Fi network, input the Wi-Fi password, and finalize by clicking Apply to enhance your Wi-Fi coverage. The extender will now connect to your home Wi-Fi network. This may take a few minutes. Once connected, the extender's LED should indicate a successful connection. Now, find a suitable location for your extender. Ideally, it should be halfway between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi signal. Finally, let's test the connection. Go to the area where the Wi-Fi signal was weak and check if it has improved. You should notice a significantly stronger and more reliable Wi-Fi connection in that location now.